Good morning, students. Welcome to Vidya Lakshmi YouTube. Now we are going to continue integrals, exercise number 7.2. Before that, we need to go the methods of integration. From that methods of integration, there is so many methods here. We have only 3 methods. The methods of integration, first method, substitution method, and second method is integration using by partial fraction, and third one is integration by parts. From this is look like 2 more 3 more question maximum, and the partial fraction method is going to ask 5 more question, and then integral by parts also look like 2 more 3 more. Okay, so the integration methods we are going to use first indefinite integrals. So from that first type we are going to see integration by substitution. When you have in the any function the form of I equal to f of x dx, then we can transform into the third variable, that is changing the independent variable to the third variable t by substitute here x equal to the function of t, that is g of t. And then now we are going to take this value I equal to f of x, then substitute x equal to here g of t. So the aim is we have to change in with respect to the element. That element here x we need to change in terms of t. That's why we are going to find the value of dx. That means x differentiate with respect to t. It is going to become dx by dt. The g function become g dash. Therefore, finally dx equal to g dash of t into dt. Now the equation 1 becomes here. That is what? 1 equal to I equal to f of x dx. In the place of x equal to g of t, the place of dx equal to what is that? G dash of t into dt. And then this method we are going to apply by substitution method. Now we are going to see the same method exercise. Before that, we are going to see the formula. Okay, some important formulas there, that are formulas here. Some important formulas we are going to use. Okay, the method of substitution. The direct, we need not go any substitution. We can go direct with this method by the technique of integral. That form is integral of tan x equal to log secant x. Integral of cot x, log of sin x. Sometimes we can write this one also, look like this. Sometimes we can write log of cos x is also possible. This one we are going to do depending upon the question. Okay, and then integral cot x dx, that is log of sin x plus c, and then secant x, log of secant x plus tan x. Suppose we got secant x means that is log of cosecant x cosecant x dx means log of cosecant x minus. So be careful about the minus. Only here comes minus. Otherwise, okay. Next, you have to recall these formulas and then memorize these formulas for the direct integration. Okay, now we are going to see next exercise, exercise number 7.2, question number 1. Yes, what is the question number 1 here? Yes, question number 1. Yes, integrate the function. What is the given function? 2x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now I am going to find the solution of this. The given integral, there is no integral, you have to name this integral, that is I equal to integral 2x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So look at this integral x square dx. We are unable to find direct value. That's why we are given, you have to take x equal to g of t. The independent variable changing into third variable. Now likewise here I am going to take here, consider or take 1 plus x square equal to t, or sometimes direct easy to do, that is t equal to 1 plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to what? X. What we are going to get? dt by dx equal to 0 plus constant derivative 2x. Now we need only, so in terms of t only we need, therefore 2x into dx. Look at the integration here. That is integration, the function here. Look at this integration here. This is 2x into dt. That function going to become dt. Now changing the integration here. That is what we may call equation number 1. Now equation 1 becomes, what is the first one equation becomes here? I equal to integral of 2x into dx become dt into the denominator what? 1 plus t square as t. Yes students, now we are going to see this one. Yes, look at this 1 by t into dt. Yes, we know the value, the formula. We have the formula, the integral of 1 by x into the corresponding element dx. It is equal to log of x plus c. Okay, that is equal to here, the t equal to x. Now, therefore, I equal to, what is that? Log of modulus t plus c. Now, what is the given question in terms of x? Need not stop up to this integration. Now, we are going to find, replace the value of what? Now, replace, what is that value? T equal to what we are assigning t here? That is 1 plus x square. Then finally, the integral become, therefore, which implies I equal to log of modulus 1 plus x square or 1 plus x square plus c. So, any doubt please students, listen, this is what? 1 plus x square plus c. Okay, this is the answer for the given question. Okay, are you understand what I am telling? Look at the denominator here. After the finally, after completion of this indefinite integral, we are going to see another method. That is the future formula integral f dash of x by f of x into dx. So that is equal to log of f of x. This is the one of the fastest method. Not we are going to substitution method, but we are going to see this one later. Okay, this is what? The solution of first question, that is log of 1 plus x square plus c. And then question number 2. What is question number 2, Kanna? Yes, we will move on. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Integrate the function. Integrate the function log of x square by x. Yes. Now, look at this. When you got the idea here, listen student. When you got any function in terms of log, in the integration, it may be numerator as well as denominator. There should be in the integral term 1 by x exists. That means we are going to do the sum log x. Likewise here, now we are going to do solution of the second sum solution. Now we are going to take, let I equal to, what is the integration I equal to? Integral, what is that? Write to the given function, log x whole square divided by x into dx. We may call equation number 1. Yes, what I am told to here, when you got any integral, the function log x means we can take, there exists the value, the denominator 1 by x. Likewise here, we are going to take the assumption method by substitution here, t equal to, here t equal to what? What is that? Log x. When differentiating with respect to x, what we are going to write? dt divided by dx equal to 1 by x. The derivative of log x what? 1 by x. Now we are going to find dx. We need only the independent variable in terms of t. That means dt equal to, that is what? 1 by x into dx. Now look at the integration student. That is 1 by x into dx as dt. Now the integration will be changed. What is the changing here? That is 1 become, that is first equation becomes, what is that? I equal to integral of, what is dx? 1 by x into dx as dt into 1, sorry, in the, there is no denominator, that is t square into dt. Okay, because log x whole square become what? Log. Okay, this is log x. Now this is log x become what? T. Now integrate this. What is the formula? Integral of x power n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now here x equal to t. Now n equal to 2. That is, sorry. Yes, sorry student, I will going to continue from. Yes. The second sum here, when you got log x, it is going to become what? X square in the denominator, x in denominator. Likewise, we are going to see the solution of this I equal to, what is I equal to? Integral log x whole square divided by x into dx. What I told you, when you got any sum in the denominator x, there exists the function log x. Otherwise, there is log x, there should be the 1 by x in the denominator. So, we may call this is given sum equation number 1. Now, we are going to assign the value of this what? The value of what? T. T equal to log x kanna. Now, what we are going to do? dt by differentiate with respect to x. What is that? 1 by x into 1 by x. Now we need only in terms of t. Now dt equal to what? 1 by x into dx. Now this is what? 1 by x into. Look at the integration, given integration. This is become dt. Yes. Now we are going to find the integral of the given function. Equation number 1, that is, therefore I equal to integral t square into dt, because the log x whole square become t square. Now what is the formula here? Integral of x power n into dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now here what is? N equal to 2 and then variable should be different, that is d. That is x equal to, we need means we can write here, no problem. That is equal to t power 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 3 plus c. So look at the given question in terms of x. Finally, we should replace the value of t. Replace what we are assigning, substitution t value, that is log x. Now replace final value of this. What is the final value of this? I equal to 1 by 3 into, what is that? Log x whole cube plus c. Okay, this is the answer for the given function log x whole square by x. Are you okay? Now shall we move on? Question number 3. What is the question number 3, Kanna? Yes. Question number 3 is integrate the given function. Integrate the given function 1 by x plus x log x. What I told you previous sum, when you got any integration function, the rational function in the terms of log, there should be exist 1 by x. Now look at this, it is 1 by x plus log x. That means they are directly given x plus log x. Now we are going to see, separate, take out from the x, the rational function from the denominator, that is 1 by x plus x into log x into dx. Now I am going to take some adjustment here. 1 by x taken commonly outside, it is 1 plus log x into dx. Now we may call equation number 1. Don't bother about the constant. So when a constant, when you are differentiating any constant, going to become 0. Now we are going to assign the substitution method. The alternate variable what? T as take t equal to, what is the bracket? 1 plus log of x. Maximum question, what is the bracket? Square root, power, sine inverse of something. Then you are going to take the alternate variable. Now here within the bracket 1 plus log x. Now differentiate with respect to the independent variable x. What we are going to get? Derivative of constant 0 plus 1 by x. So we need only in terms of t. That means 1 by x into dx. Yes, look at this, Kanna. This 1 by x into dx as dt. Now what is equation 1 becomes? The equation 1 becomes here. Now equation 1 becomes, what is that? I equal to integral. What is the, where is in the 1 plus 1 by 1 plus log x? It is in the denominator. First you have to replace 1 by x into dt. Then what is next? 1 by t. Yes, finally we know the answer. The formula integral 1 by x into dx. What is that? Log x plus c. Yes, here x equal to t with respect to t. What is the final answer? Then log a modulus t plus c, that is I. So don't stop up to in terms of t because the given sum in terms of x. Now replace here t equal to, replace t equal to 1 plus log x. Then final answer what? That is equal to, therefore I equal to, what is I equal to here? Log of modulus t. What is t value? 1 plus log x plus c. This is the solution of given rational function 1 by 1 x plus x log x. So what I told you, when you got any log function, there should be 1 by x. The same idea, there is no direct value of 1 by x. We are taken commonly and then taking the substitution method, the alternate variable and then alternate variable differentiate with respect to x. We are going to get 1 by x dx value as dt, replace the 1 by x dx as, and also the t value 1 plus log x. Now we are going to get the answer for the given integral. They are asking integral of given function. Next, question number 3. What is the third question, Kanna? Fourth question. What is the fourth question? The integrate the function. What is that? Integrate the function log sine of sine cos x, correct? Sine of sine cos x. What is sine of sine cos x means? Here, don't bother about sine of sine cos x. There is some adjustment value sine x. We are going to find. What is in the bracket? Within the bracket, some terms of cos x. Maximum within the bracket, within the square root, that value you are going to assign as the alternate variable. Now we are going to assign the alternate variable as t here. The solution of question number 4. Now integration I equal to integral sine x into sine of cos x into dx. That is, look at this integral. That function within the bracket, what is the term is there? Cos x. That time you have to take, replace or take t equal to cos x. Then what is going to become? Dt by dx equal to minus sin x into dx. Are you okay, student? Now derivative of cos x minus sin x. Look at this. It is in the term of, what is that? Sin x dx. But here minus sin x dx. Now I am going to take, minus, we will write after that, minus sin x. Now finally we are going to take dt equal to minus sin x into dx. We have only the sin x dx there. Therefore minus taken left hand side, it is become sin x into dx. Yes, look at this. This value exists in the given integral function. That time we have to take, we may call the equation number 1, the given integration. Now equation 1 becomes, what is the equation 1 becomes here? I equal to integral of, what is that? Sin x dx become minus dt, isn't it? Now what is sine of cos x? That is called sin t. Okay, look at the integration. It is totally in terms of the variable t. No issue about that. That is a direct formula. Any integral sin t dt equal to, what is the formula? Minus of minus cos t plus c. The balance constant. Okay, integral constant. Now finally what we are going to take? Minus into minus plus cos t plus c. Now finally, don't stop up to in terms of t. We are replace the value of t. What is the t value here? Replace t equal to, what is that? We are assigned cos x. That is equal to final answer. Therefore I equal to cos t, which means cos of cos x plus c. That is the required answer for given function. Okay, are you okay? So be alert, when you are any function within the bracket, that should be the alternate variable. Okay, the previous sum we are taken, what is that? the denominator log x like that. The first sum 1 plus x square going to become t. Same ideology we are going to apply for next sum. Question number 5. What is question number 5 kanna? Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. Yes. Now here before that going to take the direct integration, we should know the identity of some integration. What is the identity of integration here? Now I am going to take let I equal to, what is I equal to? Integral sin x, sin of ax, sorry, sin of ax. What is that? Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. So we are unable to do the direct integration of this. Before that, we are going to take the formula, that is the formula sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Correct? 2 sin theta into cos theta. So there is no 2. I am going to multiply and divided by, multiply and divide by 2. What we are going to get? Now I equal to 1 by 2 into integral 2. Divide and multiply. That is 2 into sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. Okay. Now look at these 2 is comes, 2 is outside. That is 1 by 2. Now what is going to become? This is the formula for, what is the formula? 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to 2 sin, sorry, sin 2 theta. What is that? Sin 2 theta. Now we are going to change for that. Now I equal to, what is that? 1 by 2 into integral. What is going to become? 1 by 2 outside. What is that? Sin of 2 into ax plus b into dx. Are you okay? Now it is become single function. Then you have to assign the alternate variable. There is no direct integration we can do, but this is the first time we are going to see the integration. Now I am going to assign the alternate variable of that. Take what is in the bracket, that is t as ax plus b. Now dt by dx what kanna? That is equal to a into 1 plus 0 because constant. So this is dx, not a dt. Correct? That is dt by dx. Now I need only dt value. So dt equal to a into dx finally. So I need only here dx is exists. There is no other constant. I am going to take dt by a equal to dx. Now okay, what is the I become? The given integration become. Now I equal to integral, what is that? 1 by 2. Sorry, there is 1 by 2. Yes, isn't it? That is 1 by 2 into integral of, what is dx value? Dt by a. And then sin 2 into t. That is sin 2t. Student, any doubts? So we are replaced in terms of x equal to in terms of t. Yes, now this is going to become 1 by 2a, constant taken outside, into sin 2t, that is sin 2x into ax into dx. The same way we are going to do, what is the formula here? Integral sin of ax into dx equal to, what is that? Minus cos of ax divided by a. In the place of a equal to what? 2. What we are going to do here? Minus or equal to 1 by 2 a into minus cos of 2t divided by 2 plus c. Now minus 1 by 2 taken outside, minus 1 by 4. Correct? What we are going to write here? That is cos 2t plus c. So we are unable to stop here because the answer in terms of t. What we are going to do? To change into in terms of t. Now replace x or equal to. Now replace t equal to, what we are assigned t as value? Ax plus b. Then what is the final answer, Kanna? Now I equal to Now I equal to minus 1 by 4, what is that? Cos of 2 into ax plus b plus c. This is the required answer for what? The given sum. Okay, what is that given sum? The function is sin ax plus b into cos of ax plus b. Okay, sorry, I forgot one term, divided by a, 1 by 4a. Okay, this is also a. Okay, this is the final answer for the given function. Can I move next question? Question number 5. What is question number 5, Kanna? Sorry, 6. What is question number 6? Square root of ax plus b. Now, we are going to see the sum, very simple sum. Yes, solution of this. What is that? Let I equal to, what is I equal to given function? Integral square root of ax plus b into dx. When you are writing the integral, you should write the corresponding element with respect to corresponding element. Yes, now here we are unable to direct interlog, inside is some constant. Okay, and in terms of x, now we are going to assign as t. We may call this is equation number 1. Okay, t equal here, what is t equal to? Ax plus b. Don't take with the square root, only within the square root. That is dt by dx equal to a into 1 plus 0. That means dt equal to a into dx. I need only the dx. That means dt by a equal to dx. This is what? We are going to change the value of equation number 1. Yes, what is 1 become? Now equation 1 becomes, what change here? I equal to integral dt by a. What we are assigned? Square root of t. Okay, now it is equal to 1 by a taken outside constant. Square root of t become t power 1 by 2 into dt. Yes, x power n formula, n equal to 1 by 2. What we are going to do? That is 1 by a into t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Then conclusion here, 1 equal to 1 by a into, what is that? T to the power of half plus 1, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. Now reciprocal, 2 by 3a into t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, what is next here? It is in terms of t. Now we are replace the value t equal to, replace t as what we are assigned, ax plus b. Now final answer is what? I equal to 2 by 3a into ax plus b. Okay, whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the required solution of the given function square root of ax plus b. Okay, can I go next question? Question number 7. Yes, question number 7 is what? Last time we are seeing the last sum ax plus b. Now ax plus b into root of x. That time we need to some adjustment. Now solution of this. What is that solution? Now let I equal to, let I equal to integral x into square root of x plus 2 into dx. Yes, what I told you, when you are going by substitution method, the ideology, you have to take the third variable with the square root or within the bracket or power, something like that. Here within the square root, that is x plus 2, we are going to take here the alternate variable t as x plus 2. Okay, now look at this, what we are going to take. Here also x is separated. When we are differentiating dt by dx, what we are going to get? 1 plus 0, then dt equal to dx. So, but here x into dx existing, which means we have to take the x value separately. Now x become x equal to t minus 2. Then only the integral in terms of x become in terms of t. That means, okay, now replace equation number 1 becomes, what is first equation becomes? I equal to integral, what is the x value kana? T minus 2 into, what is that? Root of t into dt. What is square root value? In terms of power, that is root of t equal to t to the power of 1 by 2. Yes, now I equal to integral t minus 2 whole power whole power 1, that means t to the power of 1 by 2 into dt. Now this one taken inside, t taken inside, what we are going to get? That is equal to integral t to the power of 1 into t to the power of 1 by 2 and then minus 2 into t to the power of 1 by 2 into dt. Are you okay? Now what is that? Power same. A base is common. That means t to the power of 3 by 2. Any doubts? Minus 2 into t to the power of 1 by 2 into dt. Now integrate, what we are going to do? That is general formula. You know very well what is the general formula, that integral x power n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now this is what? Here n equal to 3 by 2, here n equal to 1 by 2. Add by 1. That is 5 by 2, here 3 by 2. What is the answer here finally? Now t to the power of 5, shall I write directly? 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Okay, and then minus 2 into t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. And then 3 by 2 plus 1 equal to, what is that? 5 by 2. That's why I am written here. That is 2 into t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Now finally, what we are going to take? I equal to, what is I equal to kana? That is become reciprocal 2 by 5 t to the power of 5 by 2, correct? T to the power of 5 by 2 and then minus, it is become 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3. It is become reciprocal t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Now finally, the integrated, but it is answer in terms of t. What is that? You have to replace t equal to. Replace, what is that? Replace t equal to. What is t equal to? What we are assigning here? X plus 2. Then what is the answer of a? Final answer, the integration, that is I equal to. Now I equal to now I equal to 2 by 5. What is t value kana? That is x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the value of given integration function. So be alert when you got such a function, multiplication of x outside or within the square root, whatever it is, you should assign the value of parallelly that variable. Okay, now we'll move on question number 8. That question number 8 is, what is that? X into the same ideology but x square outside. Yes, wait and see what we are going to see, the integration. Yes. Now what is the function kana? The function is here. Yes, now let I equal to the integration equal to integral x into square root of 1 plus 2x square into dx. Yes, what I told you, when you got any function within the square root bracket, you have to take the alternate variable. The alternate variable here, take t as What is here t as? 1 plus 2x square. Okay, wow. Then differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx equal to 0 plus 2 into 2x. Derivative of x square. That is dt equal to 4x into dx. Here only we have x into dx. That means we have to take in terms of t. It is become dt by 4 equal to x into dx. This is x in dt by 4 as x into dx. Now integration become, what is I become? Equation 1 becomes, what is the first equation gonna here? I equal to integral of, what is that? X into dx become dt by 4. And then within the square root, what we are assigned? T. Now the integration equal to 1 by 4 into integral of t to the power of 1 by 2 into dt, because the root value power 1 by 2. By the method of integration, the formula x power n dx equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n equal to 1 by 2, then n plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. That is equal to I equal to 1 by 4 into, what is that? T to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Yes, now taking reciprocal, what we are going to get in the answer? That is 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 into t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Yes, now cancel by 2. What is the final answer? Now final answer is I equal to 1 by 6, because 3 2s are 6 into t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Yes, we need to change the alternate variable t as, now replace, yes, replace t equal to, replace t equal to, what is t value kanna here? T as 1 plus 2x square. Then the final answer is 1 by 6, 1 plus 2x square plus the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for the given integration sum. Okay? Yes. So next, question number 9. What is the question number 9? That is, question number 9 is the function. Yes, it is also in the square root, the outside 4x plus 2. Yes, let us see what is the integral become. The solution. Yes, now let I equal to integral 4x plus 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Yes, look at the integration. It is in term of x square plus x plus 1. When you are differentiating, you should get outside, but it's 4x plus 2. That time I am going to take some adjustment, 2 taken outside. What is remain? 2x plus 1 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now 2 taken outside, no issue. 2 into integral 2x plus 1 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 into dx. We may call equation number 1. What I told you, when you got any function in the square root, you have to take as the third variable, that is take t as, what is t as? T equal to x square plus x plus 1. Isn't it? Now differentiate with respect to x, that is 2x plus 1 plus 0. I need only dt. In terms of dt, 2x plus 1, like taking cross multiplication, dx denominator became numerator. Now look at this. This is what? Dt. Yes, now I becomes, the integration become, therefore the integral equal to 2 into integral of, what is that? 2x and dx as dt. And then what is this? square root of t. Yes, what is square root of t? 2 into integral t to the power of 1 by 2 dt. Yes, already we have done so many some the previous. Now 2 into t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c divided by 3 by 2. Now what we are going to do? 2 into 2 by 3 getting reciprocal t to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Then finally we need to replace t value. What is t value? Replace t as what we are assigned x square plus x minus plus 1. Now finally the integration become I equal to what is what? 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the required answer for the given function. Okay. So be alert when you are got any function the square root, that should be the alternate variable. Otherwise same model. Correct? Yes. Can I go question number 10? What is the 10th one, Kanna? It is 1 by. I think this is important somewhat because x into square root of x. Okay. Yes, x into square root of x. Sir, it's become like this. Why? Yes, I got it. Yes, now here, what is that? X into solution. Let I equal to, what is that? Integral 1 by x minus square root of x into dx. Now we are unable to take direct integration, some adjustment here, that is I equal to integral 1 by square root of x into square root of x minus root of x plus dx into dx. Now I am going to take 1 by root x is commonly outside. It is 1 minus x minus, because here 2x is here, root x. Therefore 1 by root x taken commonly outside means that is root x minus 1 into dx. This is called equation number 1. Okay, now what is in the bracket? Value. You should take the alternate. Take t as root of x minus 1. Then what is dt equal to? That is dt equal to derivative of x. What is that? 1 by 2 root x minus 0. So you do know very well, student, root of x derivative 1 by 2 root x. That is equal to dt equal to 1 by 2 root x. But here that 1 by x into root x into dx only. Then 2 taken left side, that is 2 dt equal to 1 by, here I forgot dx, here 1 by root x into dx. Now replace the value from equation number 1. What we are going to get here, that is equation 1. Yes, equation 1 becomes, what is that? 1 becomes, what is first equation become? I equal to, what is I equal to integral 1 by x into dx equal to become 2 into dt, correct? And then 1 by t, because root of, what is that? Root of x minus 1 consider as t. Now what is going to become? 2 is constant taken outside. 1 by t into dt. Are you okay now? It is easy to integrate because we know very well with one of the familiar 1 by x into dx. What is that? That is equal to 2 into log of x, here t plus c. Now finally this is I. So we are going to replace t value. What is t equal to here? What we are assigned here? T equal to what? Square root of x minus 1. Therefore, the final answer is I equal to, yes, I equal to here 2 into log of modulus square root of x minus 1. Square root of x into x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer for the given function. Are you okay? now we are going to see the question number, next question number 11. Are you okay? 10th sum. Yes. Be careful about this function because it is x into root x. Okay. Now question number 11. Same ideology, but x in the multiplication is in numerator. Now we are going to see the integration of the given function. What is the given function? We are going to assign let I equal to integral of, what is integral of? X divided by square root of x plus 4 into dx, where x always positive, because when you got x is negative, is going to become imaginary. Not necessary to here. Now we are going to take concentrate only the integration. Yes, look at the integration. What is the integration? In terms of root x. What we are going to do? What already I told you, when you got x into root of x plus a, something that you have to separate, find the including that value x also we need to find. Likewise here I am going to assign, take the substitution method, take x plus 4. Now we need, there is separate x term, which means we need to find x value t minus 4. Now differentiate this one, dt by dx equal to 1 plus 0, which implies dt equal to dx. Yes, now 1 becomes equation 1 becomes, what is the first equation become? I equal to integral. What is x value konna? T minus 4 divided by, what is that value? Square root of t. Correct? Into dt. Now I am going to assign here integral t minus 4 divided by t to the power of 1 by 2 into dt. Now power taken numerator, the variable including that, what is become? T minus 4 into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt, because plus become minus. What we are going to do here? Integral taken inside, t power 1 into t power minus 1 by 2, minus 4 into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 into dt. Student, any doubt? Yes. Now 1 minus half. That means what going to become here? That is integral t to the power of half minus 4 into t to the power of minus half already exists into dt. Now integral formula. What is the formula? X to the power of n. X to the power of n integration what? X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Yes. Likewise here. Now I am going to get integral I equal to t to the power of 1 by 2 going to become t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Any doubt? Yes. Minus 4 into t to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is going to become minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now this is 2 by 3. T to the power of 3 by 2 minus 4. Here t to the power of half by half plus c. Correct? Now this is what? 2 by 3 into t to the power of 3 by 2 minus 4 2s are 8. T to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. Now final conclusion, replace t equal to, what is that? Yes, replace t equal to, what is t equal to here kanna? What we are assigned? X plus 4. Now therefore I equal to 2 by 3 into x to the x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into x plus 4 as t 1 by 2 plus c. This is the final answer for the given function. Okay, and then question number 12. Okay, now we are going to see question number 12. What is 12th one? Yes, the 12th one is, what is that? X to the, this important question, x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5. Okay, now the integration. Let I equal to integral of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 dx. Now look at this inside x cube, outside x power 5. I am going to write some adjustment step here. I equal to integral x cube minus 1 into x square in x cube into x square dx. I separated x power 5 as x cube into x square. Now what is in the bracket? I am going to assign the alternate variable. Take t equal to x cube minus 1. Yes, here x cube existing here also. We need to find x cube value. Then x cube equal to what? X cube equal to t plus 1. It is become plus 1. Now differentiate dt by dx equal to 3x square minus 0. Now dt equal to 3x square into dx. I need only x square dx. That means 3 taken left side, dt by 3 equal to x square dx. Okay, then what is equation 1 becomes here? This is equation number 1. Now equation 1 becomes I equal to, what is that? Integral of x square dx became dt. Yes, correct? dt by 3. Then what is x cube minus 1? That is t to the power of 1 by 3. And then what is x cube value we are found at? T plus 1. Now integrate. What we are going to get? One more step I will write here. That is 1 by 3 integral t power 1 by 3 into t plus t power 1 by 3 into dt. Now 1 plus 1 by 3, what we are going to get? That is I equal to 1 by 3 into integral 1 plus, that is 3. 4 by 3, yes, that is t to the power of, otherwise I will write one more step, no problem. T power 1 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 into dt. That is 1 by 3 integral t to the power of 1 plus 3. What is 1 by 3? That is 4 by 3. Correct? Plus t to the power of 1 by 3 into dt. Now what is that? Integrate as usual x power n formula. What is that? T to the power of 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Now this is 1 by 3 into, that is what? 7 by, t to the power of 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 and then plus t to the power of 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. Now it is getting reciprocal, that is 1 by 3 into 3 by 7 into t to the power of 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 into t to the power of 4 by 3 plus c. Now 3 cancel. What we are going to get finally? 1 by 7 into t to the power of 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 into t to the power of 4 by 3 plus c. Now finally we need to replace what value? T value, because the conclusion only in terms of the given variable. Therefore you should replace that t value. What is t as? We are assigned here. That is x cube minus 1. Then solution is what? I equal to, yes, I equal to 1 by 7 t to the power of, what is t value? X cube minus whole power 7 by 3 and then plus 3 by 4 into, what is the 3 by 4 into? T power. What is t power? that is x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus c. This is the solution of given function. Okay, so shall we go the next sum? Question Kana. Question number 13. What is question number 13? Integrate the function x square by 3x cube. Yes, when you got the denominator in the bracket x cube or denominator x cube, then x square in the numerator, we are easy to find the integral value. Now take I equal to, let the integration I equal to integral x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube into dx. Okay, wow? Yes, we may call equation number 1. Now, assign the value. Take t equal to, what is the bracket? 2 plus 3x cube. Then dt by differentiate with respect to x. 0 plus 3 into 3x square. And need only in terms of t. That is 9x square into dx. Yes, look at the integration, only x square dx. That means dt by 9 equal to x square into dx. This is what? dt by 9. Now equation 1 becomes, what is our equation 1? I equal to integral x square dx as dt by 9, the denominator 1 by t cube, because t is 2 plus x, 3x cube. Now this is equal to 1 by 9 is taken outside, t to the power of minus 3 into dt. Then integral as usual, x power n formula, I equal to 1 by 9 into, what is that? T to the power of minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. Okay, wow? Yes, that is minus 1 by 18 into t to 1 by t square plus c. Now replace t value. Replace t equal to what? What we are assigned t equal to 2 plus 3x square. 3x cube. Then the final answer is minus 1 by 18 into 2 plus 3x cube. Okay, whole square plus c. This is the required answer for the given integration. Okay, can we move the next question? Yes, question number 14. What is question number 14, Kanna? Yes, integral of. Yes, student, I already told you, when you got any function in terms of log x, the denominator should be x. Okay, same ideology we are going to apply. We are done it 2-3 sums in the beginning of the exercise. That is 1 by x into log x whole power m into dx. The condition, don't bother about that. Now, what is that? Now, within the bracket, the second variable, that is what? T equal to log x kanna. And dt by dx equal to derivative of log x 1 by x. I need only in terms of t, that is equal to 1 by x into dx. Yes, this is 1 by x into dx as dt. Now equation I become, what is I become Kanna? That is I equal to, what is I equal to integral 1 by x dx as dt, and then 1 by t power m. Now this is equal to integral 1 by t to the power of, what is I? T become numerator, m become numerator, power minus m, okay, into dt. Now apply the formula, x power n formula, t to the power of minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 plus c. Now rewrite the value here, I equal to 1 by 1 minus m or minus m plus 1, t to the power of 1 minus m plus c. The final answer in terms of x, replace t equal to log x. What we are going to get? I equal to, what is that? 1 by 1 minus m into log of x whole power 1 minus m plus c. This is the solution for the given integration. Okay, next question number 15. What is question number 15, Kanna? The function is what? X divided by 9 minus 4x square. I already told you, when you got any value in the denominator x square or x cube, that numerator should be less than 1 power. Same thing here. Let I equal to, what is that? Integral x divided by 9 minus 4x square into dx. Equation number 1. Now we are going to see the question. Let I equal to, what is I equal to? The denominator 9 minus 4x square. Otherwise we can do some adjustment, not necessary here. That is equal to, what is t equal to, not I equal to, the assign the second variable t equal to 9 minus 4x square. That is dt by dx equal to 0 minus 4 into 2x. I need only in terms of t. Yes, that means dt equal to minus 8x into dx. Yes, here only x into dx. So the extra is constant, that is divided by minus 8. That means minus dt by 8 equal to x into dx. Now equation 1 becomes, that is 1 implies I equal to integral of dt by, that is minus dt by 8 and then 1 by t. Okay, now that is equal to minus 1 by 8 taken outside. What is the remaining terms there? That is 1 by t into dt. Then final integration. What is the final integration, Kanna? Yes, I equal to minus 1 by 8 into log x, correct? 1 by x log x. That is t here log a t plus c. Now replace, yes, replace t as what? 9 minus 4x square. That the conclusion of the given function 1 by 8 into log of more or less 9 minus 4x square plus c. This is the integration of the given sum. Okay. Next. Question number 16. What is question number 16, Kanna? The given function. Yes, e power 2x plus 3. What I told you, when you got power, you can do it. Yes, it is easy sum. Now we are going to complete this. Let I equal to integral e to the power of 2x plus 3 into dx. Now take the variable, the alternate variable here, t equal to 2x plus 3. Then dt by dx, or directly we can write, no problem. Now dt equal to 2 into dx. What is that? 2 into dx. Now dt by 2, correct? Equal to dx. Okay, wow. Now look at this, only dx. Replace I value, therefore the I equal to, therefore the integral become integral of dt by 2, isn't it? Now what is that value? E power t. Now 1 by 2 taken outside, what is remaining? 1 by 2 into, what is the remaining, Kanna, here? E power t into dt. Yes, you know student very well, the formula e power x into dx. It is remains same, e power x plus c. The same thing here, I equal to 1 by 2 is constant. What is that? E power t plus c. That finally you should write the answer in terms of what? Replace t equal to, what is t equal to? We are assigning here 2x plus 3. Therefore, the answer I equal to 1 by 2 into e to the power of 2x plus 3 plus c. This is the question number 16. Easy sum, simple method. Okay. Now question number 17. What is question number 17 here? That is also same thing. Easy sum, that is integral the function. Let I equal to integral x divided by e power x square into dx. What I told you, the power x square means that should be less than 1 power. The same ideology we are going to take t equal to x square, dt equal to what? X square, 2x, derivative of 2x. I will write directly into dx. Now we need only x dx. That means dt by 2 equal to x dx. Now what is equation? 1 become, the integral become, what is the integral become? That I equal to, what is that? Equation 1 becomes I equal to integral dt by 2, the value of x dx, correct? And then 1 by e power t, because denominator is exponential function. That is equal to 1 by 2 into integral e power minus t into dt. Okay, now what we are going to do? As usual, the integration just before, integral e power ax into dx equal to e power ax by a plus c. Here a equal to minus 1. Then what we are going to get? 1 by 2 into e to the power of minus t by minus 1 plus c. Okay, now minus taken outside. What is the remaining answer here? That is I equal to, therefore I equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by e power t, because t in minus plus c. Yes, replace t value. Replace t, we are assigned x square, isn't it? Now this is what? Minus 1 by 2 into e power x square plus c. This is the answer for the given question. Okay. Now we will moving on. Question number 18. What is the 18th one? E power. It is also important question. Maybe going to come MCQ as well as 2 mark or 3 mark. Yes. That is question number 18. Yes. That is let I equal to. What is I equal to? Integral e power tan inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. When you got any power, tan inverse, whatever it is, got sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, the denominator should be derivative exist. Okay. Now take, we may call equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now take the alternate variable, take t as tan inverse of x. Then what is dt by dx equal to derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square, a square plus x square. That means dt equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Yes, look at this. This is the what? dt. Now finally, equation 1 becomes I equal to integral e power t into dt. Now integral of e power x, that is e power t plus c. The finally replace I value. Then replace t equal to, replace t equal to what? Tan inverse of x. That means what is the answer? Therefore I equal to e power tan inverse of x plus c. This is the answer for the given sum. Okay. Then question number 19. Are you okay, student? Any doubt? When you got inverse, the inverse, tan inverse, sin inverse, cos inverse, you should assign as the alternate variable. The same thing apply, other steps are same. Differentiate with respect to x, find dt value, replace the value of x, 1 by 1 plus x square as dt, and then integral of e power t. Okay. Question number 19. What is question number 19, Kana? Yes, it is important 3-mark question. Solution. Okay. Now let I equal to, what is I equal to here? Integral e power 2x minus 1 divided by e power 2x plus 1 into dx. This question, next question, same method. Now here we may call equation number 1. Now here multiply and divide, or multiply numerator and denominator, that is better. Okay, multiply in numerator and denominator by e power x. What we are going to get? Now I equal to integral e power 2x minus 1 divided by e power x divided by e power 2x plus 2x plus 1 divided by e power x into dx. Now separate this. Integral e power 2x by e power x minus 1 by e power x divided by e power 2x by e power x plus 1 by e power x into dx. Now okay, what is next Kanna here? That is equal to integral 1 by e power minus x. It is become numerator. Divided, sorry, e power x already exists, correct? It is 2x only, going to cancel. Because of, you know very well, e power 2x means what is that? E power x whole square. That's why. Now we are going to cancel. What is remain here? Integral e power x minus e power minus x divided by e power x plus e power minus x into dx. We may, this is equation number 2, no problem. This is I. Now we go the assign, the substitution method. Take t as the denominator. What is denominator? E power x plus e power minus x. Now dt by dx equal to e power x into 1 plus e power minus x into minus 1. Now this is dt equal to e power x minus e power minus x into dx. Now equation 2 becomes here. What is 2 here? I equal to, what is I equal to? Can I given some? What is I equal to? Integral, what is that? X dx. Look at this. This value comes as dt, correct? That is 1 by t into dt. Yes, because denominator as t. Now integral of 1 by x log x what? 1 by x dx log x. Here 1 by t dt plus c. I equal to 1 by t into dt. Yes. Now replace t value. What is replace t value? T equal to, what is that? E power x. What we are assigned here? Plus e power minus x. Now final answer, log of modulus e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Are you okay? This is the solution for given sum. Question number 20. What is the 20th question, Kanna? Yes, the same method, but the direct question there. Yes, that is question number 20. What is the 20th one? We can do directly by assumption, substitution method. Yes, that is what? Here let I equal to integral e power 2x minus e power minus 2x divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into dx. Okay, wow. We may call this is equation number 1. Now we are going to substitute as t equal to, yes, t equal to what? E power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now differentiate dt by dx equal to e power derivative of e power x into a, that is 2, plus e power minus 2x into minus 2. I will take 2 is commonly outside, that is e power 2x minus e power minus 2x. This is dt into dx. Now 2 taken left side, dt by 2 equal to e power 2x minus e power minus 2x into dx. Now equation 1 becomes, what is I become? Therefore integral become I equal to integral, what is the value of this one? Dt by 2, the numerator including dx. What is that? That is dt by 2, that is 1 by t. Yes, now the 1 by 2 taken outside, integral 1 by t into dt. Yes, 1 by x into dx, what? What is the value here? That is 1 by 2 into log t plus c. Finally, replace t as what we are assigned here, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Okay, now replace t value. What we are going to get? I equal to 1 by 2 into log of, what is the log of? Modulus e power 2x plus, yes, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. This is the given integral of given function. Okay, we are seeing the question number 1 to 20 from the exercise 7.2. Next class we are going to continue question number 21 to up to end of the period, end of the exercise. Okay, thank you student, we will meet again.